morning, children. Today, myself Arun Sharma, I will explain the topic probability. Mostly, students are facing problem in the probability. They are facing it is very difficult topic, but I think it is a very simple topic if you have clear all the basic points. Okay, students. Okay, dear students, first see the basic points. In earlier classes, ninth onward, ninth class also, 10th also, you have learned in your class. What is the probability? Probability is a chance. When I throw a coin, so it will be two outcomes, maybe head, maybe tails. Is it clear? And when you throw the dice, we got six faces. Okay, six outcome, and it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? So, first point here, what do you mean about the sample space? Sample space means if you are doing anything, so what is the total outcome? Suppose dice throw one time, so how many total outcome? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got outcome. When two coin are tossed simultaneously, what is the sample space? Mean coin having two face. So it become 2 raised to power 2. So we got 4 total outcome. If anyone asks you 3 coin are tossed, so 2 raised to power n. N means 3 coins, so we can write here replace 3, 2 raised to power 3, total outcome are 8. Is it clear, everyone? So this is known as the sample space. Total outcome is known as the sample space. If anyone asks you the probability of the all heads, 3 coin are tossed simultaneously, so total outcome is 8. So what is the probability of all head? So it is only single points, all head. It come favorable case upon my total outcome 1 by 8 is your answer. So next question, how to make the sample space? I give you very simple methods. 8 means 4 time head, 4 time tails. You can write. Then 4 half is 2. Then 2 time head, 2 time tails, 2 time head, 2 time tail, then head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. So this become total outcome. Okay, dear students, if 3 coin are tossed simultaneously, we got total outcome is 8. If anyone asks you what is the probability of all heads, so probability of all head means one case having all heads, 1 by favorable case upon total outcome, 1 by 8 is your outcome, that is your answer. So everyone know very well how to find the sample space mean total outcome is known as the sample space. Second point, what is the sample points? Elements of the sample space. Sample space, all elements are known as the sample points. Clear? If dice throw once, there are 6 elements. That is known as the sample points. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? So now what is the event? Event, a subset of the sample space is known as the event. Suppose dice throw again once, so there are 6 points. That is known as the 6 sample space, means 6 subset of this. Now, impossible event. This is most important question. What is the impossible events? If we throw dice, anyone asks the probability of 7. So you know very well, you play the game, dice having only 6 faces. There are 6 points written on them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one student asks, sir, tell me the probability of 7. So 7 will not outcome. Okay. So that is known as impossible events. For example, 2 coin are tossed simultaneously. So we got total outcome 2 raised to power 2, 4. If anyone asks, one student asks, sir, 3 head probability tell me. So 3 head not possible. That is known as impossible event, means null set. Got it, everyone? Now, dear students, we will discuss sure event. What is the sure event? The whole sample space is known as the sure event. Suppose dice roll one time. So we got 6 outcome. Okay, all are equal likely. If anyone asks you what is the probability of 5, it is 1 by 6. Probability of 2, 1 by 6. Probability of less than 6, less than 7 if asked. The probability of less than 7, that is sure event, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. Is it clear? That is known as the sure event. Now, complementary events. Complementary in set theory you know very well. A complements means universal set you. Okay, dear students. Now, point is complementary event or complementary means not events. You can say not events. A complementary in set theory you know very well. Set of suppose a complement of A means universal set. From universal set you can remove that elements. That is known as the complementary set. I give one example also. Okay, if we throw dice, we got 6 points. What is the 6 outcome? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, A event is set of all even number. What is the even number? 2, 4, 6. Okay, and B set. What do you mean about the set B? All odd number 1, 3, 5. If anyone asks you what is the complement of set A from the sample space. So A element are even number 2, 4, 6. So complement of A we got all odd number. Set B we got. Is it clear? If anyone asks you what is the complement of set B? B having all the odd numbers. So complement of B we got the set A even elements 2, 4, 6. Is it clear? Next point, my dear, this is the most important point. Event A or B. What is the meaning of or and? These are the two very most important symbol in probability. A or B. Mathematics language union. A or B mean A union B. A or B combination. Suppose A element all the even 2, 4, 6. B all the odd number 1, 3, 5. What is the A union B? A union B is equal to sample space 1 to 6. That is known as mutually exclusive also. A and B are two mutually exclusive. Anyone asks you, it means A intersection B is the null set. Okay, A union B, clear everyone? Or mean union symbol. If mathematics probability question will come, word problem question you got A or B, this word will come. So we can say A union B. Examiner asks A union B, this is the meaning. So second point, my dear, A and B. A and B mean set A intersection B. And mean intersection. A and B having common points. Suppose this is known as A and B. Set A and set B having common. That is A intersection B. And mathematically symbol we can return A intersection B. But it is and even. So we can write this. Next even A and B. But not B. A and not B. It means only A. In word problem question it will be asked A and not B. So what is the meaning? Some student confuse here. A and not B. It means only A. Set A minus B. That is known as this. This is only A set. This. Okay. Now only B. If anyone asks you, only B means B minus A. This is known as only B. Next point, equal likely outcome. All outcomes which are equally probability, that is known as equally likely. Suppose the dice is thrown same 6 points. So all 1 to 6 are equal likely. So I hope clear everyone. Now let's sum question on probability base. Is it clear? Now we will take exercise 16.1. Okay, students. Now sample space you know very well. Now, for example, question number 1, exercise 16.1. If a coin is tossed 3 times, yeah, you can say 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then write down sample space. Okay, very simple. You know, I explained the formula. Coin having, listen, this is a coin, and you know very well, coin having two faces, one head, second one tail. If 3 coins are tossed, then what is the total outcome? 2 raised to power 3. Answer is 8. So, my dear students, in MCQ question also, this is most important question. When 3 coins are tossed, total outcome is 8. When 5 coins are tossed simultaneously, then what is the total outcome? Your answer will be 2 raised to power 5. Okay, next question, write down sample space 3 coins are tossed. So very simple, I give you one trick. Some student confused, some student write the repetition aloud. Okay, but here 2 raised to power 3, 8. 8 half you can do. 50% head, 50% means 4 head and 4 tail. Is it clear? Then 4 half is 2. 2 head, 2 tail. Again 2 head, 2 tail. Then 2 half is 1. Head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. This is very easy trick. इसमें क्या होगा बच्चे? You will not repeat one element, not repetition. Okay, all will come completely. So these are the 8 points. This is known as sample point also. Okay, if anyone asks you what is the probability, now probability means probability of an event, favorable case upon total outcome. This is the formula. If anyone asks you what is the probability of all head, so all head having only one favorable case. So 1 by 8 is your answer. Now most important है, इसमें 2 पॉइंट और है बेटा, जो इसमें बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं. एट लीस्ट वर्ड, एट लीस्ट एंड एट मोस्ट. अब इनका मीनिंग समझो बेटा. व्हाट डू मीन अबाउट द एट लीस्ट? At least, suppose Aman, he got at least 80% marks. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Mean definitely he will score 80, at least 80 or above. Mean 80%, 82 up to 100% he will score. So second case, if anyone say Ravi got at most 80% marks. At most mean उसकी maximum approach 80% है. 80 to below, maybe 70, maybe 50, maybe compartment, maybe fail, maybe 0 marks. So these are the two variations. At least and at most students are confused here. So I hope you will clear. At least mean that point to above. At most mean maximum to below. One more example. Suppose one person got teacher take a test out of 10 marks. So I said that boy got at least 5 marks. At least mean 5 or above. Maybe he scored 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. This is meaning at least. अब at most, suppose that boy got at most 8 marks. That is the maximum value. Okay, dear students. Now you have clear at least and at most. So I hope no confusion regarding that. Now we will take more example for the dice. If one die is rolled once, yeah, you can say die is thrown once. Then what is the sample space? Sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If a dice is rolled once, so what is the output? Total outcome, that is known as the sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now question rise. find the probability of even number. So how to find probability of even number? What is the formula? Probability of even number means favorable case upon total outcome. So first you will see what is the event of the even number. So 2, 4, 6. So this is the favorable case, 3 elements. So probability is 3 upon 6. Favorable case upon total outcome. So what is your answer? 1 by 2 is your answer. Second point. Anyone ask you what is the odd number? Probability of odd number. So dear students, favorable case of the event number. So you can make the event of the odd number. Tell me 1, 3 and anyone ask you what is the probability of odd number. So first make the events. Event means favorable case. So 1, 3 and 5. There are 3 favorable case. So same answer 3 by 6. It will be 1 by 2. Next question. This is the most important prime number. Mostly students are saying 1. They consider 1. So that is wrong. First, you know the definition in earlier classes. You know very well. But some students not know about the prime number. So I want to clear this concept. Prime number, exact definition. Listen, please note down. Prime number, a number having only 2 factors, 1 and itself. That is known as the prime number. For example, 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. 1 is only odd number. So please make sure the difference between even, odd, prime, composite number. That's why I'll take this example. So now see, prime number is the number having more than only 2 factors, 1 and having factor 1 and itself. So 2 is the smallest prime number. Then 3, then 5. So you will see here this event. Prime number definition clear, everyone? The number having only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So see here 2, 3 and 5. These are the 3 prime number in a die. Okay. So what is the probability of prime number? Now clear. Favorable case 3. Then you can write 3 by 6. This also is also 1 by 2. Next point. Probability of the find the composite number. So how many composite numbers? Many dice rolls, sample space, there are 6 points. So what is the composite number probability? So first you will see what is the favorable case. So favorable cases are definition of the composite number. Listen, please note down. A number having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors, that is composite number. So 1 is neither composite nor prime, 2 only prime number. So 3 prime number, 4 and 6. There are 2 numbers, they are prime and their factor is more than 2. So I hope clear the composite number. Now what is the probability? Favorable case upon total outcome. 2 by 6, it will come 1 by 3. That is your answer. Okay. Next question arises. What is the probability more than 2? More than 2, or you can ask, anyone ask you what is the probability greater than 2? So greater than 2 means 2 say above, more than 2. So how many favorable cases? 3, 4, 5, 6. Now probability is of this event more than 2, 4 upon 6. Then 2 by 3 is your answer. Now next question rises, what is the probability more than 2, less than 5? Mean above 2 or below 5. So what is the probability? There are only 2 numbers, 3 and 4. The probability is 2 by 6, 1 by 3. So I hope clear this point. So one more important, note down please. Probability lies between 0 to 1. Max, this is most competitive exam, my dear. It will be asked in the competition. What is the maximum probability? So maximum probability means sure event, that is one. What is the zero probability mean? Impossible. Impossible event. Probability is zero. So probability lies between 0 to 1.